Good afternoon to all. This is Sri Vikram, Assistant Professor from SNS College of Pharmacy. From today, we are going to discuss about the topic of metabolism of phenylalanine in phenylketonuria. First of all, what is meant by phenylalanine? So, phenylalanine means it's one of the amino acid metabolism. So, it's one of the amino acid metabolism compounds. Okay, you all know about amino acid metabolism. So, basically, the study of amino acid metabolism is can be essentially divided into two variations like essential amino acid metabolisms and non-essential amino acids. Okay, these are the two variations. Essential amino acid metabolisms like like phenylalanine, okay, leucine, lysine, okay, etc. These are the compounds that are present in the segment of essential amino acid. Okay, essential amino acid metabolisms. And the next one is non-essential amino acid metabolisms like alanines. Okay, like alanines. These are the compounds that are present in the non-essential segments. Okay. That's all to know about the concept of amino acid metabolism. Okay, amino acid metabolism in the phenylalanine. Due to the from the study of phenylalanine. Phenylalanine is one of the amino acid metabolisms. It's one of the amino acid metabolisms where the phenylalanine, due to the high level of the phenylalanine, cause a high level from the body means it produce acts some disorders like Phenylketonuria. So it causes some genetic disorders like Phenylketonuria. It causes some genetic disorders like Phenylketonuria. Phenylketonuria means it's one of the genetic disorders by which the cause of high level of phenylalanine. Okay, phenylalanine means I already told it is one of the amino acid metabolisms. Okay, it's one of the amino acid metabolisms which cause a high level of phenylalanine compounds and it causes some genetic disorders like phenylketonuria. Okay, this is a simple definition. You all know about the concept of phenylalanine in phenylketonuria. Okay, phenylalanine in phenylketonuria. First, we all know about the we going to say phenylalanine. Okay, phenylalanine is a rare. Phenylalanine is a rare of genetic disorders. It's a rare of genetic disorders. It's a rare of genetic disorders caused by phenylalanine compound from the amino acid metabolisms. Okay, phenylalanine compound from the amino acid metabolisms. I already told phenylalanine is one of the amino acid metabolisms by which due to the produce in the body it produces some essential amino acid compounds means it has enhanced high level from the body. It promotes some disorders like genetic disorders like phenylalanine. So it's where its affects means where the study the disorders in the study of phenylketonuria it causes some genetic disorders like phenylketonuria where it is caused mainly affects means it is mainly affects in the brain segments. It is mainly affected in the human brain. So it's mainly affected in the human brain. So okay, this is a simple definition. So okay, next phenylalanine is essential amino acid metabolism. I already told you. Phenylalanine is one of the amino acid metabolism compounds. Okay, next the phenylalanine is autosomal recessive genetic disorders. From the study of phenylalanine, it is also known as autosomal recessive genetic disorders. Okay, it's otherwise known as autosomal recessive genetic disorders. From the concept of autosomal recessive genetic disorders, it's one of the gene. It's autosomal means it's one of the gene by which the 22 pairs of the chromosomes produce some disorders like phenylketonuria. Okay, this is autosomal recessive genetic disorders. Okay, and it's next see about it causes an accumulation of phenylalanine. It causes an accumulation of phenylalanine and phenylalanine in the tissues and blood. It causes an high level of accumulation from the phenylalanine to the tissue and blood, and the results are increased in the excretion of urines. Okay, in the study of phenylalanines, by which the high level of accumulation from the phenylalanines, it enhances tissues and the blood, and it produces an excrete or otherwise increase the excretion of urines. Okay, this is the study. So next. Where it's next, if it is possible, if the patient is caused with the phenylketonuria disorder means how it is diagnosis. Okay, how it is diagnosis means diagnosis is usually carried by U3 test. This is a U3 test means it's one of the method This is one of the methods. It is one of the method of the test which is used in the for the diagnosis in the phenylketonuria. Phenylketonuria test means it is otherwise known as it is a bacterial inhibition assay. Okay, it is a bacterial inhibition assay. Where it is I already told phenylketonuria is one of the genetic disorders by which it is mainly caused from the parents to children. Okay, children are otherwise pediatric kids. Okay, this is a simple terms. Okay, and due to the cause of phenylketonuria from the kids or pediatrics or other children. Okay, the Guthrie test will be followed. Okay, Guthrie test from the parent baby of 28 days, the Guthrie test will be followed. Okay, from the diagnosis. And the next, what are the treatments? Okay, what are the treatments followed from the disorders, genetic disorders in the phenylketonuria? Okay, what are the treatments? From the treatments like dietary restriction from the natural source. Okay, dietary restriction from the natural source of proteins. Okay, dietary restriction of natural source of proteins that to prevent an accumulation of phenylalanine in the bodies. Okay, from the source of natural items, meat. Okay, it's examples meat, there is soya, etc. Present in the natural related items. Okay, these are also used to prevent an accumulation of phenylalanine in the bodies. Okay, we all know natural sources like soya, meat, chickens. Okay, chicken is also used to. It's a natural source used to prevent an accumulation of phenylalanine in the body. Okay, natural source like natural source from the compound is also used to prevent phenylketonuria disorder from the bodies. Okay, and the next, what are the medications? Okay, what are the medications were used to reduce the phenylketonuria disorders. Okay, some medications like saproproteins. Okay, saprobacterins. Okay, it's some of the medications like saprobacterins are otherwise known as saproprotein. Saproprotein means it's otherwise known as tetrahydrobiopteins. Okay, tetrahydrobiopteins. And the main concept of saproprotein means it's enhance and managing or otherwise boosting an enzymes. Okay, managing or enhancing enzymes. Okay, enhance or otherwise boosting an enzymes. Okay, this is the role for saproproteins or otherwise used to saproprotein or red, which are used to reduce phenylalanine levels. Okay, these are the used for the these compounds are used for these segments. Okay, and the medication like saproproteins used for the treatment of PKU. Like PKU means phenylketonuria. Okay, that's all about the study of metabolism of phenylalanine in phenylketonuria. Okay, thank you.